Welcome to Within She Rises, your new favorite channel for mastering the mind and upgrading your identity. Today, we're unlocking Chapter 3 of Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell Maltz. Imagination, the first key to your success mechanism. Because what you imagine is what you begin to become. Most people think imagination is just daydreaming. Something optional. Something childish. But Maltz discovered something different. Imagination is not fantasy. It is a tool. A mechanism. A control system for your reality. Your brain does not fully distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. That means something powerful. When you imagine failure, your body reacts. Your emotions respond. Your confidence drops. But when you imagine success, your system activates differently. Your posture changes. Your energy shifts. Your decisions improve. This is not motivation. This is programming. And imagination is the input. If you feed your mind fear, it will produce fear. If you feed it doubt, it will produce hesitation. But if you feed it clarity, it will produce direction. If you feed it success, it will produce confidence. This is how you begin to take control. So how do you actually use imagination? Not randomly, not emotionally uncontrolled, but deliberately. Maltz called this mental rehearsal. You sit quietly, you relax your body, and you begin to see yourself acting the way you want to act. Not perfectly, but naturally. You see it. You feel it. You repeat it until it becomes familiar. Because familiarity creates comfort. And comfort creates confidence. This is why repetition matters. Not once. Not occasionally, but daily, morning, night, consistently, because your brain builds patterns, and patterns become identity. Most people imagine the worst. Without realizing it, they rehearse failure. They expect rejection. They visualize limitation, and their life reflects it. But you can reverse this. You can begin to imagine differently. See yourself confident. See yourself winning. See yourself already there. Because your brain does not ask, "Is this real?" It asks, "Is this familiar?" And whatever feels familiar becomes your reality. This is where everything changes. Not when you try harder, but when you see differently. Because effort without vision leads to frustration. But vision with clarity creates direction. And direction creates momentum. This is how identity shifts. Not overnight, but through repetition of vision. You are not waiting for confidence. You are building it. You are not chasing success. You are becoming the person who attracts it. This is the shift. From reacting to creating. From hoping to designing. From guessing to knowing. This is the power of imagination. Not fantasy, but instruction. Not escape, but creation. And once you understand this, you stop seeing imagination as optional. You start using it as a daily tool, morning, night, every moment you choose, until your new identity feels normal. And when it feels normal, your life begins to reflect it. If this shifted something inside you, subscribe to Within She Rises. Stay on this journey of mind mastery, because this is just the beginning. In the next chapter, we break one of the most dangerous illusions that has been controlling your life silently. False beliefs, hidden conditioning, and the mental hypnosis you didn't even know you were under. Chapter 4 will show you how to break it completely, so you can finally become who you were meant to be.